I 3D printed this case that's supposed to be for the Google Voice Kick, but it has so many issues even though it looks pretty. So it came out pretty well, all considered, although you can tell that it was not modeled properly because it came out with all these strange striations, I'm not sure. Anyway, this pattern was not supposed to be there. And but that's not the worst of it. The worst of it is that since this is at an angle, as you can see there, the button doesn't stay in properly. It doesn't fit in this area properly. Then once you open it up, there's nothing there for you to latch on the speaker. You can't screw the speaker into place or anything like that. There's nothing there, or this, for instance, is not the right size for your Raspberry Pi. So you end up having a bunch of components in there just hanging around in there, and well, it's not good to have magnets that close to the Raspberry Pi, and just in general, big mess. So although this on the exterior design looks pretty cool, even with the mistakes, and it has this nice Google AIY on it, but it needs to be reworked on the inside. And it looks like it only has holes on here so that you could screw in the microphone from the inside, but again, it's at an angle, so I'm not sure how well that will do. So yeah, that's my little rant about that.